Hi everyone. If you're in the HVAC industry, you know how crucial it is to have reliable and efficient tools at your disposal. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to B P Refcool, a company that has been revolutionizing the HVAC scene since 2015. B P Refcool started with the manufacturing of high-capacity oil-less refrigerant recovery machines, but they didn't stop there. Over the years, they've expanded their product range significantly to include service tools like Refcoup, Blend Vaporizer, and the highly effective leak locator. What sets B P Refcool apart? First, their commitment to quality and innovation. They're not just selling products, they're providing solutions specifically designed to make your job as an HVAC professional easier and safer. For instance, their Leak Locator Plus is not just any leak detector. It features high visibility, time-saving application, non-flammable and non-toxic substances, easy flow, and creates large, lasting bubbles, making it a must-have in your toolkit. But B P Refcool's expertise doesn't end with their own brands. They've strategically partnered with global leaders to bring you the best from around the world. From Swiss chemical giant Clariant for heat transfer fluids to Accutools and Inficon from the USA for cutting-edge vacuum gauges and electronic leak detectors. And there's more. B P Refcool also represents Yellowjacket for essential HVAC tools like vacuum pumps and cistern tools. They're also the promoters for Sentech Inc.'s refrigerant gas area monitors in India. And they've introduced Errecom from Italy for their range of HVAC service chemicals. Their reach even extends into innovative technologies like phase change materials and heat transfer fluids for demanding applications in cold chains, railways, renewable energy, and other industries. With B P Refcool, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a partnership that values innovation, quality, and most importantly, customer satisfaction. Their responsive support system and secure payment options ensure that your experience is smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned HVAC professional or just starting out, B P Refcool has something to offer that can transform your workday and boost your productivity. Thanks for tuning in. Dive into the world of B P Refcool and discover how their products can enhance your HVAC experience. Until next time, stay savvy and efficient out there.